Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Remember, this is just my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're diving into Tripping.com, found at https://www.tripping.com. Tripping.com aims to simplify the sometimes overwhelming process of finding the perfect vacation rental. Instead of jumping between countless websites for different properties, Tripping.com acts as a meta-search engine, pulling together listings from various platforms all in one place. This can be a huge time saver, allowing you to compare prices and amenities across a broader range of options more efficiently. Imagine searching for a cozy cabin in the mountains. Instead of checking Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, and a host of other individual sites, you can simply enter your desired location and dates into Tripping.com. The platform then scours its partnered sites and presents you with a consolidated list of available properties. This centralized approach can significantly streamline the search process, helping you quickly identify potential rentals that meet your specific criteria, whether it's a beachfront condo, a secluded villa, or a rustic farmhouse. One of the key advantages of using a meta-search engine like Tripping.com is the ability to compare pricing. Seeing various options side by side can help you ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Additionally, Tripping.com often provides filters to refine your search based on factors such as price range, number of bedrooms, amenities, and guest reviews. This allows you to narrow down the choices and focus on rentals that truly align with your preferences and budget. While Tripping.com offers a convenient starting point, remember to always double-check the final booking details directly with the original listing site. This extra step ensures you're fully aware of any additional fees or specific booking policies.